Yeah, you see it give us some kind of manga life character like this. Hi, welcome to my channel. Today, let me show you an Unity package that I think is pretty amazing. It's called unityuiextensions. You need to check this package out. This definitely gonna help you learn a lot of things. To set things up, you're gonna click code right here, and you're gonna copy the GitHub links. Go to Unity, go to Package Manager, and click the plus slide right here, and you're gonna click Add Package from Git area. You're gonna paste the link, and you can click Add. Wait a little bit for the installation of the package. The installation process is complete. Now, let's move on to how we can do with this package. In the repository of this package, you're gonna click the example right here. You're gonna download all the example to see how we can make complex Unity UI with Unity. You can download this by clicking code and clicking download in zip file. After the download is complete, you're gonna drag and acquire folders in Unity, and let's see what is inside the examples. You see that is a lot of UIs package. Let's check something else. It has the accordions. So this accordion is just like the collapsible content. I will play the scene to show you how it's done. Let's display. And you see that it is an example that you can expand or collapse, such as now click here and here, and when I click again, it will open up the hidden content in it. One of the features that led me to find this amazing package is to find how we can create a snaps code list. If you don't know a snaps code list is, don't worry, I will show you in the next seconds. So I will show you how easy it is when doing this package. You right click, you click UI, and from extension you will find what is this, layout, and you will find horizontal scroll snap, or you can select vertical scroll snap. It's up to you, and here I will select horizontal scroll snap. You see that it has the basic layout right here. So I will show you the demo first, and I think it will help me to be better at explaining to you how the horizontal scroll snap is. In here, in the content, it is the elements. I will duplicate it, save the scene, and let it play. You see that it is actually forms into a horizontal list. Now, when I dragging the list, it will snap back to the elements that has shorter distance. So when I drag just a little more, it will jump back to the middle items, and when I drag here, it will snap to the last item. Let me show you again. I drag a little bit too light. You see, it will snap back. Right here, yeah. That is how the horizontal scroll snap work. Now I will show you how to make a dynamic content in a snap scroll list. What we're gonna do is create another C# script. Let's call it simple snap scroll list. When we open the script editor, the first thing we're gonna do is to reference to the horizontal what about it, horizontal scroll snap. Let's call it horizontal scroll snap. Save it. Now back in Unity. Now back to Unity, I will drag the script to unsample game object, and I will drag the horizontal scroll step here. I click the slip. In the scan script, I will add a game object. Let's go with item prefab. I will spawn this prefabs inside the horizontal scroll snap to display those elements in the list. I will create a simple for loops with a side tree. In here, I will instantiate a new object from the item prefab. In here, I will add another field for the parents of the spawn prefab. Let's go with parents. It's so similar to how normally the vertical list in Unity works, but the only difference is we have to call the update layout functions to make sure that it is updated. Click save. Back in Unity, I will drag the content in the parents and I will delete those. I will drag the item prefabs as the page one in here. Make it save. Let it display. You see that 4 items has now been displayed, and when I drag here, it will automatically snap to the shortest elements here and then here. Pretty simple, right? And so all that logic is handled for you by this amazing access. Here, this is the code for it. You can double click it and read it yourselves, and I fully advise you to do it to better understand the system. Additionally, this package also have a lot of scroll view that you can check out and choose what is best for you. Let me show you a little bit. Just click on this scroll view. You will see it has basic. Let's save it. Has basic. Hit play to see what it is. Let us. It has the water noise. I'm sure I'm pronouncing miscorrectly this word, but it is what it is. Display. Yeah, you see it give us some kind of manga life character like this. It has a lot of things that you can check it out. So that is the end of my video. If you guys enjoyed it, please consider like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.